Okay. I'm gonna do a quick review on Bob Evans bows. Hang on a second. What you want now? Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. She said she wanted to go out since I turned the camera on. Didn't want her barking and carrying on right next to me. Okay, Bob Evans bows. It's 11 ounces. It's got country gravy, sausage, and potatoes. It's got some cheese in it also. Get one bowl per container. 360 calories, 18 grams. Total fat, 8 grams. Saturated fat, 30 milligrams. Cholesterol, 1,030 milligrams. Sodium, 26 grams. Total carbohydrates. Dietary fibers, 2 sugars, and 21 protein. You get a pretty nice little serving of the potatoes, gravy, and sausage in one of these bowls. I bought them earlier, several days ago. Fixed one last night. Like I said, you get plenty of the ingredients in the bowl. The bowl's pretty full. One thing with these is you're definitely gonna need to add, unless you like bland food, you need to add some seasoning to it. You don't add seasoning, you don't have, it's bland. I added some pepper and some other seasoning to it when I fixed it. Took a few bites of it before I added the seasoning, and then I came in and added seasoning, pepper and stuff added to it. It's pretty good, other than needing some seasoning to it. You get plenty of the gravy, sausage, and potatoes and everything in it. And it's easy to fix. All you gotta do is pop it in the oven or microwave and heat it up. It's a good little breakfast. If it's just one of you eating it, or you eating something up for one of your kids before they go to school. Breakfast with them. This is the Bob Evans bows. You can buy them in most of your grocery stores and frozen food aisle.